My name's Puno, and this is Muad'Dib. Come on in. How are you? Parking crazy? All right. Keep going down because we're gonna pack for Peru. How much do I want to work hard, and then how much do I want to enjoy the moment and enjoy the now? So this trip happened, or this trip came to me, and a really great friend was hosting it, and then I had 3 of my really good friends, like really solid good friends. Like one of them I went to high school with, and they're like, let's all go on this Peru trip. And then I have another friend who I haven't really got to know really well, but Rachel's going too. And I was like, well, I can't miss out on this. And then I just realized, like, this is also what I wanted when I started my own business, is I really just wanted to own my lifestyle and be able to like go do things that I want to do, but also I want to work hard and I want to grow my business, but I think it's just like figuring out how much I really want. All right, closet time. Closets! We're gonna be hiking in Machu Picchu. We're going to be cold in Lima. And I don't know what else we're gonna do, but I assume it's gonna involve drinking. Man, this is tough. Girlfriend collective, cute matchy stuff. These are Ganny. A store just opened in downtown LA. I only use this many hangers, and every time that I go, like if I buy something and I ran out of hangers, I have to give something away. This one that I really like, that's really comfortable, it's from Ozma, and it's just super comfortable and it looks cute. I know Eve Wear, they made this, so I just wear this. Have you seen this? It's like essential. Tyler the Creator, guys. All my socks are super colorful. Darner socks are my favorite because they're super breathable but cute. Perfect, but whoa, I just transformed. Just gonna use Muad'Dib's stroller because she don't need it right now. How are we gonna fit this all in the bag? I do want to like help other people see that there's another way that you can run a business and it doesn't have to like burn you out. So that's what I'd like to do this year. Hat, extra bag, shoes, and then all of my clothes here. And I got my underwear and socks in here. Just gotta like put some body weight on there, especially in the corners. When I travel, it's really important that I have this makeup remover / cleanser. And I also have just like a regular cleanser. And then I've got these 2, like a conditioner and a shampoo bar, Noto serum. And I use it for my hair and I use it for my face, and lotion. Just, it's everything. Have to do this. This is dry shampoo. I've had this bottle forever. This. I love the light situation here. So I taped myself my mirror on here. But it's also dual purpose because I'll just do this. And I'm like, and then it's good. Why do you look? I didn't realize this fits. I'm definitely gonna put my laptop in there. What do you have in here, Muad'Dib? This is where I get most of my inspo. Walter Shendoa. This is Sissy, a coming of gender story. I took a comedy stand-up class, and Jacob was part of my class.
You're just the best.
Yeah. Thanks so much for packing with me. That was a lot of fun. I'm gonna go play some more with this one. But have a good rest of your day.